Hey, this is about the keep up. Hey, you gotta watch Wrestling. It's unbelievable. I caught it the other day. Check it out. Wrestling. Don't forget, Wrestling.
This is WWE legend Tatanka. Make sure that you watch Gone Away Wrestling. How true that is.
Listen. Yeah, you know it's time for revolution. I give you proper execution. Cause you're a broken institution.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Gone Away Wrestling here, back with another video. And I bet you guys miss seeing this face, huh? Well, as you saw, I've been doing mainly TTM videos, but now I actually got here, as you can see from the description, a WWE Championship belt unboxing. And this one is actually going to be pretty special to me, mainly because for the past 2 months I've been trying to get this belt on WWEshop.com, but every time they would have it in stock, I would get the email telling me that just put back in the stock the WWE Championship spinner belt. And then as soon as I would click on the link, I would go there and it would say out of stock. And I would actually verify it on WWEshop.com. And yeah, it was nowhere on the page. I couldn't find it. They only had the usual ones like Edge's Rated R spinner belt and the John Cena commemorative spinner belt. Cut. Alright guys, let's get started with the unboxing. I already got here my handy dandy pocket knife. Let's just get started. Oh, I'm so excited. Man. Usual belts. Usual bags, I mean. Wow. They actually packed this very well. Okay. Here's the usual invoice. Toss that over there. Yeah. They know that this belt they have to pack extra well because a lot of people have had experiences with this belt where it would come and it would actually be it would have missing gems. Overwrap there, throw the box down there, and this sucker of course is heavy. Let's get it out of the bag. Nice. You can see WWE Championship spinner replica. Very nice. Alright. Now, let's get it out. Yeah. Because during shipping, the belt would actually move around in the bottom of the box. And then the gems would actually come loose. Okay. Let's get the silicone out of there. Out to the other side. Let's get the shrink wrap off. Alright. Okay. You guys are probably seeing it right now before me. Right now I just gotta throw it away. Throw this away. I want to leave the bag there. Okay. So, tell me guys, How does it look? How does it look, guys? Tell me. Looks good, doesn't it? Oh my god. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Now that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. This belt is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Holy crap. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at how beautiful this belt looks. Look at all those really cool looking awesome stones. Oh my god. Wow. Hey, look at this. Look at how much stones the Scratch logo has. This is so cool. I'm loving the, let me put it towards the light a little bit. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Very, very nice. Wow. And of course, the other side, the side plates. This is the version 4, I think, is what it is. And because the first version was the one that John Cena initially introduced. And this side plate right here, it said Monday Night Raw, and it had the padlock in the middle. So yeah, but I prefer this one because it's the one that it became the overall WWE Championship. That's why both of them say WWE Champion. So yeah, really, really cool. Well guys, that about wraps it up for this video, which was the unboxing of the WWE Championship Spinner Replica Belt. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Gone Away Wrestling, signing out. Take care, guys, and be on the lookout for more TTM videos and any other video related to wrestling. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay clean, stay positive. Take care, guys.